Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful hairstyle using just one roll of Brazil wool. Let's dive in. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to wrap the wool around this chair. This is the part I'm using for the bangs. I'd already prepared this thread, so I'm going to use it for the bangs. If you don't want to do it this way, you can go ahead and crochet, but I find it simple and easy like this. This is from my wig cap I'd already cut out before. This is what I'll be using. So if you're new to my channel, this is Jasmine Royal where we slay on a budget. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button and be part of this amazing family. This is my conditioner. I'm going to add some hot water and then I'm going to add the bangs. After doing that, I'm going to blow dry and then stretch. Please make sure you use low heat so you won't damage your wool. There's not even much difference from this to my hair, like it's the same hair color and everything. I love it. I'm going to trim out this part and I noticed it's very long. It's still long, so I had to trim it again. This is the part I'm going to bob. Alright, this is my wig comb clip. I'm going to sew it in two places so I can clip it on my hair.
out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let let you in deeper than I let anyone else.
Guys, if you're still watching and haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sub to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I post.
Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
So guys, this is the final look. Are you seeing this? Just one piece of Brazil wool made this. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know.